Indeed, you were created with certain special qualities that necessarily makes you different among your peers, your sisters and colleagues in the society. You were specially made with certain things. Sometimes when we expect the Spirit of God to do certain things for us, or when we pray to God and we expect Him to respond instantaneously, and such an act doesn't manifest, we feel so much embarrassed, devastated, and so much exhausted. We feel that we have been rejected by the Spirit of God. We feel that our voices have been discredited in the presence of God. But that is not the case. In reality, the Spirit of God deals with time and season. Today might be my time and season. Tomorrow might be your own. So for the fact that you see me flourishing today doesn't mean that you've been completely neglected by the Spirit of God. God is preparing you. Whatever you're going through should sound something to your hearing that you are in a preparation mood. You are in a training. Whatever that you expect God's Spirit to bestow upon you, you will never be denied. People might yearn insult, say things to jeopardize you, to ridicule you, but don't give up. Hold on tight and cling onto your faith and focus and have this perception and a set up mentality that no matter what, life is going to be well with you. Neglect people who don't like you. It's their own cup of tea. They've got to deal with the sort of hatred that they have for you. They have to deal with it personally. It's their own ambition and dream and choices to do dislike and hate you. Never allow people's hatred, hate words, and evil intentions to deeply ingrain within your human psyche, and move forward. Have a free mind and act on your conscience. Be smart, and the Spirit of God will be there to assist you at all costs. Be blessed and blessed so much. I can assure you that the expectation of the righteous shall never be cut off.